I'll give you another update, guys. We are here today and I just bought masks. It's not Corona times anymore, but I'll tell you why I have the mask. So I just came here to talk with our ventilation guys and the air conditioner. We were going to install air conditioner, one right there. And because of the building administration, as you know from the last episode, they are not allowing us to install it on the walls because they think it's a historic building. And of course, I mean, it's gonna look ugly if everyone has air conditioner. So we're gonna probably put it on the ground. I need to know how to secure it so they don't steal it. So we're gonna put it on the ground and draw the line from there down so the water can drain. We're gonna have one air conditioner there and another one on the ground, also on the ground on the other side. So it's gonna be right up there. Yes. So yeah, we're removing a layer of tar. It's toxic. This is what we're doing now. I'm paying extra for this because I would rather spend a few $100s extra and just remove the toxic stuff. But that's what we're doing now. So I'll show you when he's gonna start. It's that layer of see, it's that black tar. Oh, yeah. This is a glue that people used when they were putting the laminate or whatever. I mean, maybe you can see here, but there's a pattern. These patterns you see, like there is it's a herringbone pattern. And what that means is they put the wood on top so it doesn't move. So this was like a glue. So that's what we're removing. And yeah, that's why I have this mask. Don't want to get cancer. Talk to you soon.